Well, you often have to be creative to get people's attention on social media. And even more, it's difficult if you're trying to nab a suspect in a crime. Check out a Facebook post from a police department in Texas that went viral after striking the right tone. Now, we asked our intern, American University grad student Leah Dorsey, to perform this dramatic reading for you.
What's been up? We've obviously been looking all over for you. You've been laying low since we last saw you, which was using an innocent South Lake victim's identity to open up credit cards in person at a ton of stores in the Metroplex. Luckily, the loss prevention guys prevented you from getting too much property. Right? So here's the scoop. We have the warrant, and we are letting all of our besties know what you've been up to. Girl, call me. Love, South Lake Police.
So far, police have not arrested Crystal, but it may just be a matter of time. Police got 25 tips from that post. Typically, they only get 2 or 3. That Facebook post has been shared more than 3,000 times.